Tell me something about yourself.
So, good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jitogard Nacario, 19 years old from Impaquibil, Apascali, Claveria, Misamis Oriental. I'm currently studying at University of Science and Technology, Claveria Campus, with a course of Base A or Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. I know a little bit of in dancing and singing, and I love climbing mountains.
So, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
And one of my strength is I am trustworthy, I have a positive attitude, I am flexible, and I have a time management also, and I am responsible. And one of my weaknesses is I am a shy person.
So, why should we hire you?
So you should hire me because I am flexible. I will do whatever work you gave me, and I can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and also I will always willing to learn and engage new knowledge about this job.
And how do you deal with pressure or stressful situation?
By finding a way on how to solve a certain situation and doing the things that need to be done, and also by doing everything in a calm way or in a positive way or situation. Thank you.